Teresa McCall, SKNVibes.com. Mr. Bradley or any member of the panel, what if you do not get the votes that you're looking for? You made a call for members of the government benches to stand up, do what they have to do, put their money where their mouth is, as my colleague said. What if that doesn't happen? What is the next move that the opposition would make?
Clearly, we have no control over what individual members will do. I believe that the members of the opposition, certainly at this table, are solid in our support. What the members of the government do will be a matter for them. Having said that, I feel that the ability to debate this issue in Parliament, the ability to have it fully ventilated, and the ability of the nation to hear each and every individual in Parliament account for his or herself in terms of where he or she stands. As I said, this to me is a clear test of whether our allegiance to party is above and trumps our allegiance to our country. No one can with a straight face suggest that the leadership of Denzil Douglas has been either sensible or has assisted in the development of St. Kitts and Nevis.